Hey guys, how's it going? How to swap faces in Remaker.ai. Swapping faces in Remaker.ai involves a few straightforward steps. Here is a concise guide. Access the Remaker.ai, visit the website, and then log in or sign up. Right here, you could just go ahead to the second result, face swap online, free, and then basically upload the images that you want to edit, and then upload the face image of your original face, or the face that you want to swap into the original image, and then face swap process. Just basically right here upload the image. Let's say for example like this one right here, right? This is original image, and then upload, let me choose original image. Let's say for example something like this one, right? And then upload the target face, which is your face. Let's say for example like this, right? And then hit swap right here, and then basically after you hit swap, you gotta just wait for a few moments and you're gonna see the results, and you can download and edit the edited image. So as you can see right here, it can be done, but you can apply it on several AIs by clicking swap, and you're gonna see the final results. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.